I'm Ramesh, a lead investigator in in vivo pharmacology department at Syngene. I'll speak briefly about fibrosis and why research in this area is important. During the process of wound healing or tissue repair, excessive deposition of collagen-rich extracellular matrix in the tissues and organs is called fibrosis. When it occurs in the lung, it's called as pulmonary fibrosis. Often, the connective tissue deposition replaces the parenchyma to the extent that physiological function of the organ is affected. Unfortunately, the damage caused by pulmonary fibrosis can't be repaired, but medications and therapies can help ease symptoms, stop the disease progression, and improve the quality of life, which makes the research in this area extremely important. Mouse model offers powerful tools to study pathophysiology and the effect of treatment interventions. There's no adequate cell-based or in vitro models available. It also provides extremely useful and disease-relevant readouts such as lung function, cytokine levels, and biomarker expression in a short span of time with good clinical translatability. Bleomycin is a chemotherapeutic antibiotic produced by the bacterium Streptomyces verticillis. It is used to develop rodent model of pulmonary fibrosis, since fibrosis is one of the major adverse effects of bleomycin in human cancer therapy. The pulmonary fibrosis model at Syngene is a well-established one. We see consistent disease induction with very low variability between the test groups and robust and reproducible effect of pirfenidone, the standard compound that we use across studies. In addition, the experience and capability to run several assessments such as ELISA, multiplex, PCR, Western blot, flow cytometry, histopathology, and immunohistochemistry readout is a key differentiator. Experienced scientists, extensive validation in multiple studies performed for various clients adds value to this model at Syngene. To know more about Syngene fibrosis capabilities, do get in touch with us. Thank you for your time and hope to hear from you soon.